Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nominal Investor, and I want to remind you guys that we're about to hit 2,700 subscribers. We're about 60 subs away, so if you guys could just help me out by subscribing or liking my videos, anything helps. I would really appreciate it. You guys have already shown tremendous support now in my past videos by just liking and commenting. It has pushed my videos out there. As you guys can see, like just this video that I posted 18 hours ago already has close to 3,000 views. And then my first ever crypto video, that one 400 views. That's not bad for a video on a new topic, I guess. And yeah, the rest of my videos, man, they've been hitting the mark with like over 5k views, which is incredible. That's actually beyond what I was getting before. I was getting like 400 views, 1,000 views, and that was good. Now I'm you guys have helped me reach a new level within views, so I'm thankful. I'm thankful for you guys, and thankful to God for all the support and everything, and for continuing to watch my videos. Now, before I get too much off topic, I want to talk about NIO stock. Now, it is already close to $14. We're 2 cents away. I'm not gonna be cocky and say I predicted this. Everyone saw this coming. There's just the only people that got screwed over, I feel like, were the shorters and the bears. The people saying, "Oh, nothing's gonna happen. The stock is gonna keep going down." Like, that didn't happen. The stock went up $2, man. It went from around like 12, like 11.90 to what it is now, which is $14. So it's just incredible. About a 16% increase, 17% I want to say, if you want to be exact. Now for me, that's about, just today it was a gain of $126 for holding these shares. And for some of you guys who hold over 1,000 shares with NIO, you guys are you guys have more money to invest into it, or you guys have just had more leverage with your investing account and everything, so you have more shares. You guys probably saw tremendous just gains just off today with that 15% increase. And I'm telling you guys, this is the beginning. We are at the beginning as NIO investors, as investors into this emerging market and emerging company right here that's called NIO Inc. We are very early compared to a lot of people. Like, people are gonna be buying NIO when it's $25-30 per share, and they're gonna be like, wow, it's a good deal, it's worth, this is a bargain. Like, this company is worth at least $200. I'm getting it for $30-40, but I wish I would have gotten it at $10, $11, $12. There's gonna be those people in the future where they're gonna be buying this stock, NIO. They're gonna buy it at, I don't know, like $20, $30, $40, even $50, and they're gonna be like, wow, I'm gonna get a good return on my investment. I know there's growth potential in the price, but they're also gonna have that, oh, I wish I wasn't, I wish I would have invested 5 months ago when it was at even $3 or $12, $15. Like, there's gonna be a lot of those people that are, and because there's a lot of those people in right now that are invested into Tesla. There's people that bought into it at $700, $800 that are seeing tremendous returns, but they wish they would have bought into it when it was $300, $400, right? So this is it's gonna be the same exact thing with NIO. Just give it time. Now, before I just go on a rant or something, I want to let you guys know that NIO, as you guys can see by this article, Globe Newswire, it says NIO delivered 3,533 vehicles in July 2020, which is an increase of 322% year over year. You guys, this is so big. Like, these news right here, the fact that they keep increasing year over year and quarter over quarter, just shows you that there's tremendous growth. That number alone should make you bullish. That 322% year over year growth, and that should make you want to buy this stock, because there's so much growth potential in the price, man. Like, you guys have not seen any. You guys are excited. I mean, I'm excited. I'm happy. I can't complain. But if you guys are excited about this small 17% gain right now, imagine when this gains like 40-50% out of nowhere. Like, just because it's so undervalued. Like, right now, it's just completely undervalued. I think the stock is worth at least $25-30. If Nikola can be worth that much per share, they don't have any sales, they don't have any deliveries, they're nowhere near NIO. It's just, Nikola is just a Western company. That's the only difference. Then NIO should be around $30-40, but it's not. So that's why you guys are able to buy it right now at this price, and it's a good deal to buy it right now, especially because of the growth potential. Now, cumulative deliveries for the ES8 and ES6. Now, this is just these two cars alone has reached 49,000. Obviously, the EC6 being released and everything, a lot of people are going to be able to buy that car and afford it more easily, because that car, if you take advantage of the subsidies and also about the battery rental, where you just pay for the battery like $200 a month or something, it reduces the price of the car down to about 35,000 US dollars. So really it's only like, I think it's 368,000 RMB, or Chinese yuan if you were to buy it in China, which is very cheap compared to Tesla's Model Y. So yeah, I just want you guys to know that NIO stock spikes up after July deliveries data, helping lift other EV makers. So that helped, Tesla, helped Nikola as well. Now look, Nikola had a 21%. So if you think NIO was crazy with their 13, 14, 16% gain, Nikola gained 21% out of nowhere. So it's just kind of crazy. Obviously it's because Nikola is scheduled to report second quarter results after Tuesday's closing bell. Now I want to read this right here. In July, we are pleased to have achieved the second highest monthly delivery results, despite the impact on productions due to a 5-day suspension on manufacturing to prepare for the EC6 productions and other flood-related supply chain challenges, or whatever said Chief Executive Willem Ben Lee. So yeah, obviously they had a 5-day delay or suspension, but they still were able to crush last year's numbers for July 2020, for the month of July, I want to say. This company on TradingView, very popular website where you guys can analyze stocks, look at their charts, everything. Look, man, this went from a buy to a strong buy already. So because of the growth in the deliveries, month over month, quarter over quarter, year over year. So yeah, tremendous hype right now. And I'm saying you guys gotta hop on the NIO train before it's too late, before it just rides off into, I don't know, like $20-$30 range, and then you think it's too expensive. But I think even then it's still pretty undervalued at that price, because like I said, Nikola doesn't have any deliveries yet. They're around the $30 to $40 range. It's just crazy. So it looks like NIO is trending upwards to that $15 area, and who knows, it might actually hit $16. And this might happen because of momentum, who knows. But there needs to be a breakthrough in the price. It needs to break through 14 so that people can keep pumping it, and then it can reach $15-$16 easily, just because of, like I said, momentum and everything. So this is what Seeking Alpha had to say about NIO. Now they said NIO expensive but plenty of growth ahead. And even though NIO right now looks pretty expensive at $13, $14 per share, there's still a lot of growth ahead, like I've been saying. And to summarize, this is what they had to say. Despite Tesla's strong execution in China so far, local brands are very likely to dominate China's EV market in the long run. So even though Tesla right now is leading the EV market in China, there's still a big possibility that local brands like Li Motors and also NIO, that they could have a larger piece of the EV market just over time, because right now it looks like China's strong push for EVs appears to be more on the side of battery swaps. So it looks like China overall is favoring battery swaps, and the technology that NIO has to offer, with that technology being mature and that it has a growing network of swap stations. And battery as a service could be a game changer in the EV industry. So that's something huge that you guys need to keep in mind. Now NIO has some challenges on its path forward, and hence becomes a high risk, high reward investment opportunity. So you guys heard that here. Seeking Alpha has already said that high risk, high reward investment opportunity with NIO. That's possible, guys, especially when they said that there's plenty of growth ahead, and even at buying it at this price, which to some people, to some bearish people about NIO, this could be very expensive. But if you just hold for the long term, you're gonna get your money back, twice, 3 times over easily in just a year or two from now. Now stock is pricey at 13x sales. The company is still at its early stages of growth, and this is true because NIO is an emerging company, basically from an emerging market, which is the EV market. But yeah, that's what I have to say about NIO today. Hope you guys liked this video and that it was informative to you, and if it helped you out somehow, share it, like it, and everything, so that helps the YouTube algorithm to push it out there to other people. And if you guys are new to investing or to cryptocurrency, there's a bunch of links in the description. Check those out, whatever you need. Most of the links that are good are there. Like literally, you guys can switch over to the Brave browser where you can get basic attention tokens for browsing the web. It's pretty cool. And you can start a Binance account, so you can start trading cryptocurrencies if you guys haven't before. And also, if you want to get free stocks, there's also those links with Webull and Robinhood. You guys can take advantage of that, get like 2 or 3 free stocks. And that's going to be everything for today. I'll see you all later. Peace out.